Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News podcast for Friday, November 30th, 2025. I'm here to get you up to speed on Thursday's market action and the headlines shaping Wall Street. U.S. stocks closed out the day mostly steady after a bumpy November, with the S&P 500 finishing just below its all-time high, the Dow Jones holding flat to slightly higher, and the Nasdaq down about 0.3% as investors weighed tech volatility against hopes for a December Fed rate cut. All eyes are on artificial intelligence stocks and economic updates as the market looks for direction heading into year-end. Stick around for the major stories that could impact your portfolio. First up, the AI trade faced fresh scrutiny. Tech giants like Alphabet and Nvidia moved sharply as questions emerged about the immediate payoffs from massive AI investments. Nvidia, for instance, had its shares pressured by reports that Meta may explore Google chips, raising competitive risks. Nvidia's stock ended the day below $830, off its recent highs. While AI remains a growth driver, investors are now demanding clear evidence of profitability, a trend to watch heading into December. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 has gained about 16% year-to-date, but market leadership remains highly concentrated in a handful of big tech names. Since ChatGPT's debut 3 years ago, the index has gotten even more top-heavy, with Microsoft, Alphabet, and Nvidia commanding record weightings. This hyper-concentration raises both opportunity and risk. A pullback in these giants could ripple across the broader market. Turning to the crypto world, Bitcoin has stumbled, falling below $90,000 after trading above $125,000 in October. This decline has some investors nervous, as Bitcoin is increasingly seen as a barometer for risk appetite across equity markets. If crypto continues to slide, it could signal waning enthusiasm for high-growth assets more broadly. Looking at broader economic updates, investors are eagerly awaiting manufacturing and services data, as well as holiday retail sales numbers from Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But there's a twist. Many key economic releases are delayed due to the recent U.S. government shutdown, leaving markets to trade in a bit of an information fog until January. That uncertainty is keeping many on edge as we approach year-end. Finally, futures markets worldwide were rattled Friday after a major outage at CME Group temporarily halted trading in stocks, currencies, and commodities. The culprit? A cooling system failure at a CyrusOne data center. Although trading was restored, the disruption underscores the operational risks facing financial infrastructure as digital reliance grows in the AI era. Investors may want to consider stability and contingency as part of their risk management toolkit. Quick recap. The S&P 500 closed near record highs, the Dow was steady, and the Nasdaq dipped slightly. Key themes: AI sector volatility, market concentration in tech, crypto as a risk signal, economic data delays, and a spotlight on market infrastructure risks. Looking ahead, keep your eyes on upcoming corporate earnings, fresh economic readings, and the pivotal December Fed meeting. For daily updates and more, be sure to subscribe and follow the Stock Market Daily News podcast. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next market open.